Mike, tell us the benefit of red onion for hair growth.
First, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, then click like to support. Now let's continue. Making onion hair oil at home for promoting hair growth is simple and highly beneficial. Onion is rich in sulfur, which can strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair breakage, and stimulate growth. Here's a step-by-step guide to making onion hair oil. Ingredients: 1 large onion or 2 medium-sized onions. Carrier oil, coconut oil, olive oil, or castor oil, about 1 cup. Optional: a few drops of essential oil like lavender or rosemary to help mask the onion smell and boost growth. Instructions: prepare the onion. Peel the onion and chop it into small pieces. Smaller pieces will release more juice, which is key for making the oil effective. Blend or juice. Use a blender or food processor to make a paste out of the chopped onion. You can also use a juicer to directly extract the juice, which will work just as well. Extract onion juice. Strain the blended mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the pulp. Press well to get as much juice as possible. Heat the oil. In a small saucepan, pour your carrier oil, coconut, olive, or castor oil, and gently heat it over low flame. Avoid high heat to prevent burning. Add onion juice. Pour the onion juice into the warm oil, stirring gently. Allow this mixture to heat together on a very low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help infuse the oil with the onion's nutrients. Stir occasionally. Cool and strain. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the oil to cool. Strain the mixture once again to remove any onion bits. Add essential oil, optional. Add a few drops of essential oil like lavender or rosemary to mask the onion smell and enhance its hair growth properties. Store in a bottle. Pour the final oil into a clean, airtight glass bottle or jar. Keep it in a cool, dark place. How to use application. Massage the onion hair oil into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper penetration. Rinse. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner to remove the oil. Frequency. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Regular use can help boost hair growth, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair strands.